Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP has only moved sideways since the last update really, but still caught in this potential triangle pattern that we talked about. So I'm looking here first of all at a larger triangle on the daily time frame. That can be counted in different ways, that's the problem with these triangles, but it looks a bit like an Elliott Wave triangle, corrective movement to the downside. We had corrective movement to the upside, down. This is also all corrective, and then we could get further corrections. I mean, it's just a sideways range, right? What I could see possibly happen in the short term is a short-term rally from this corrective structure to form a completed WXY pattern. We have from the June low a so-called W wave to the upside. We have an X wave to the downside, and the Y wave up could follow. The thing is, this is not a reliable count at all. It is entirely possible that this here is not an X wave triangle, but it could become an X wave like a normal ABC, for example, in wave X. Yeah, that's possible as well. But anyway, either way, this orange support region is valid and relevant, whether we go a little lower in the X wave, or a little higher. The idea is that, first of all, in the very short term, we have no confirmed low in place, so maybe we come down a little lower. The local downtrend is still unfolding. We've made lower lows and lower highs here. And the support area starts at 52 cents, goes down to 37. We have additional support, Fibonacci support, and that seems to be quite relevant, at 45 cents. It's exactly where those previous swing lows are as well. Well, and then from there, a Y wave to the upside could basically start, possibly take us into the $1 region. Yeah, but there is currently no sign that this wave Y has started, and it will be difficult to determine the start of it, because again, that will also be a corrective structure like an ABC structure, but we know how XRP sometimes just rallies out of the blue, and it could be quite a rapid surge. Yeah, I think this support area is incredibly strong. It's been holding, well, basically for a year now. Yeah, it's been holding for a year, this support area, and the price comes down, rallies, comes down, rallies, comes down, maybe will rally again. For now, it's all in a range. It's all happening in a range. But once this range is broken to the upside, possibly a break above this trend line, or at least above this, what I have labeled as D wave high, here at 75 cents, would give way for this Y wave to extend way into the $1 region. Why into the why into the Y dollar? Yeah, into the $1 region. Well, if the count is correct, obviously, and we say this was W, the move down an X wave, then based on the current low, the move could take us to $1.86, the 100% extension. Is it realistic? Probably not. So it will depend on how low we go. I mean, it's not unrealistic. It depends on how low we go to end this current X wave, which again could be a triangle, but if we break below those previous lows, we might test 45 cents or 37. The Y wave typically targets the 100% extension of the W wave. So if we go a little lower, it might not go up that high, as you can see, maybe just 120 if the price tests 37 cents. But that remains to be seen. I have no low in place, no confirmed low in place. And to be honest, in reality here, this correction, this range, you see it, if it's a triangle, it could extend a bit. Triangles can always extend. We will have confirmation that this triangle is broken to the upside with a break above the B wave high. It's at 74.8 cents. So we talk about here this high at that was formed in November 23. And then, yeah, that might open the door to $1 plus. And I think support is really relevant. Anything below 37 cents, to be frank, would be quite bearish. I think a sustained break below the 78.6 Fib level might eventually lead to a breakout to the downside of this structure. Yeah, because this is seen as a huge triangle, and it's a really boring chart. You see how volatility has been reducing over the last 6 years. Really boring. And people, I mean, I know people expect and hope this to rally, but it hasn't rallied for like 6 years, so volatility is reducing. But what I could see, I just want to mention it, is this sort of rally in a Y wave. So yeah, just a quick update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.